welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'll be walking you through how to get book cover designs for your book. Alright, I will show you how to get book cover designs for your book. So if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That is a way of appreciating my efforts for dropping such a video like this for you to see on YouTube. Alright, so the essence of making this video, I discovered that some KDP publishers, and the beginners actually, when they start creating their book cover, they get to a point that their books starts getting similar, like the designs. They start making similar book designs, and as such it will actually have a way of psychologically affecting their sales, because by the time you have so much book design with high similarities, one is that Amazon might see your book as you are copying another author, even if you wrote the book. Okay, so that is actually the reason why I'm putting out this video today. So I'll be showing you how to get new concepts for your book design. Even if you want to create 100 books in a day, you want to write 100 books in a day, or as the case may be, you will not run out of ideas with this video we are watching now. Okay, so straight up, let me just go to Amazon. Let me go. Okay, Amazon.com. Okay, let me just head over to this place. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. It's loading. Alright, so now let's scroll down. So as you can see here, let's say I want to make a book. Alright, and let me say my book is centered on I want to write a book on mental health or something of such. Okay, so what I have to do is just look at this book now, the Mental Toughness Handbook. Now you discover that you see that the book is very simple to create. If you don't know how to create KDP book cover, just go to my past videos. I made a video on how to make your book cover with your phone, and with that video, making this book cover is very simple. Okay, so if you want to make a book now on mental toughness, as you can see here, there is brain. That means I should have at least an image of a brain on my book, and then I can choose to make the background plain like this. This is a yellow plain background, okay, with outer glow. This letter has outer glow, that is shining outside. Okay, so and if you look at this as well, the act of saying no is just a blank plain background with write-ups. Alright, so as well, the act of self-coaching. So when you talk of coaching, certainly there is a whistle, or you can use a whistle or a ball to actually demonstrate your topic. Okay, so let me just go further. Alright, so as you can see here, a gentle reminder, very simple, how to stop negative thinking. So with this now, if let's say you want to make your book you want to make a book, all you need to do is just come to Amazon, search for the book you want to write on. Let me show you what I mean. Now change this place to Kindle ebooks. Mine is already on Kindle ebooks. So let me just search for happy marriage. Okay, so there are numerous books here. So this one actually depicts something good, like it depicts the topic very well, same as this one. Okay, so I think these ones are fictions. Those ones are fictions. Okay, so look at this, secrets to a happy marriage. Okay, so you can see how simple it is. Alright, so if you have any question concerning this video, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section and I will speedily attend to it. And don't forget, still, if you want to enroll for a KDP course, Amazon KDP course, you can do that as well. Okay, so when you enroll, this is what you'll be getting. The course actually contains over 41 videos that will take you from beginner level to advanced level. All there is on my YouTube channel is there, even more. My YouTube channel is just 1% of what you'll be learning from that KDP course. Okay, so when you purchase the course as well, you'll be getting free book design cover from me. That is to say, for your first 3 books you'll be writing after going through the course, you will get your book cover design from me for free. Alright, so also you'll be getting a lifetime mentorship from me and as well from the course creator. Alright, so you also get free tools to help you scale faster, and then you also get low content ready to use templates. What this actually means is, once you go through the video, at the end of the video, at the end of the course, there is a template you can use for publishing low content. Alright, so the next one is fastest way of making your book. So you'll be learning how to make your book in a very short time. Alright, also you also learn from the course how to rank your book on Amazon's rank page. Alright, the bonus is just too much. Best keyword research tool and how to properly use different names for different books. I once made a video on mistakes Amazon KDP publishers should avoid, and this is one of them. You can go back to my videos to watch it, how to properly use different names for different books, because if you don't know how to use names properly, there will be a glitch. There will be a kind of Amazon might mistake your book for another book. Alright, which will actually cause users misplaced priorities. Like if a user is searching for a particular book and then your own shows up, Amazon will see yours as a threat to a real author. Alright, so I made a video concerning that in my previous video. If you've not watched it, do well to go back to my videos and watch it. Alright, so also you'll be joining our free Binance Futures Signal group. Alright, you'll be learning how to trade Binance Futures, how to make money on crypto for free. That is when you purchase this course. Alright, and now there is a guarantee when you purchase this course. If after purchasing this course for 90 days, if after 90 days of purchasing this course you do not make any money from it, you will get a refund. Yes, I'm actually the one taking care of this. If after purchasing this course you do not get your money, you do not make a dime from this course, you will get a full-time refund. Alright, so if you're interested in getting the course, don't forget, check the description below. I'll drop the link there.